test function or the test method within this regex. So let's say that we have a book. So let this book, and this book's title is going to be called Learning RegEx for Dummies. I think that's how you spell it, right? Dummies. Dumbies. Okay, whatever. So this is the book title that we have, Learning RegEx for Dummies, and it's also another book. Book title for book 2 is equal to learning JavaScript for dummies. Okay, so we have two books. What I want to do is I want to know if JavaScript is in this book title. So we're going to use regex to do that. So what I can do is create this regex. So I do let my regx, and this is going to equal the regex of, I said JavaScript. So this is what my regex is looking for. It's looking for JavaScript. So when you can run this test, regex can run a test. So you can test to see if JavaScript is in one of these. So that's what my regex is doing. So you're gonna call the my regex test. We'll just call let result equal to, we're gonna call my regex, and then you say you want to run a test, and you're testing to see, you're testing book title. So my regex just ran a test on book title. My regex is JavaScript, so it's running a test on book title to see if JavaScript is anywhere in there. And we're gonna console.log the results. And we should get false. Okay, I didn't get anything back. Why is that sound like? Oh, okay, we get false back. And if I do the same thing, well, we'll change result to book title 2. This one should be true because JavaScript is there. Okay, that's because, that's because JavaScript here is capitalized and it's not capitalized here. So you can use this flag, case insensitive, and that should do the trick. There you go. True.